Everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from polynomials of 10th class. And the question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial such that alpha plus beta is equals to 24 and alpha minus beta equal to 8. Find a quadratic polynomial having alpha and beta as its zeros. Right? Given what? Given alpha plus beta equals to 24 and alpha minus beta is equals to 8. Right? Using these two you can solve and you will get the alpha and beta values. Okay, how? Alpha plus beta equals to 24 and add alpha minus beta which is equals to 8, so that these two get cancelled and 2 alpha equals to 24 plus 8 32. So alpha equals to 32 by 2 which is equals to 16. Therefore alpha equals to 16. Substitute alpha value. 16 plus beta equals to 24. Beta equals to 24 minus 16 is equals to 8. Therefore alpha equals to 16. Beta equals to 8. These are the alpha beta values. But what we have to do? Find a quadratic polynomial having alpha and beta as its zeros. We have alpha beta. What we have? One more thing. Coefficient, the relationship between coefficients of the coefficients and the zeros. These two are the zeros. Now we are coming to the coefficients. Alpha plus beta, that is sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta is equals to what you will get. Alpha plus beta means 16 plus 8 equals to 24. So actual formula for this what ma? Coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, right? So minus is there. This is the formula. So but here we got positive 24 and denominator not there anything. If denominator not there anything means we have to put 1, no? So plus can be written as minus of minus. Minus into minus we can write a plus. So like this you can take. So this becomes b and this becomes a, which is equals to minus b by a according to the formula. So therefore b is equals to what you will get? Minus 24, a equals to 1. Now we have to get the c value also even to form the polynomial from product of zeros is equals to alpha beta formula constant by coefficient of x square, right, which is equals to alpha how much? 16 into beta is 8 which is equals to 128, right, which is equals to this is c by a, no formula for this. So here what you can take 128, denominator nothing is there, so put 1 again. Already we know the value for a here, so this also a, this will be c. Therefore c equals to 128. So the general form what? General form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Now substitute the ABC values here. A what? 1, that is x square you can take. B is minus 24x plus 128. Got it? See, not only this polynomial, if something number if you multiplied for this, for those all also these two will be the zeros, 16 and 8. Understood? Say for example for this I multiplied 2. What you will get? 2x square minus 24, 2's means 48x plus 128 into 2 is 16, 5, 256. For this polynomial also these two only zeros. Understood? So that Here we took one more constant which when multiplied for the polynomial, after multiplying whatever you got the polynomial, for those all these 2 will be also are the zeros of that particular polynomials. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Not only in this topic, in any topic if you have, specify that in the comment section. I'll make it a separate video for you. Okay? So please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.